Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making a ham steak sub sandwich with onions, green peppers, and cheese. And we're going to be doing it in these new griddles that I bought off of Amazon. So let's get started. Yeah, so these new griddles here we're going to be using. Let me show you. They're made by Commercial Chef. I don't know if you can read that, but I think you can on the bottom one. Anyway, there's an 8-inch, I believe. Let's check it out. 8-inch. Yep, 8-inch. And we have a 10-inch, so it comes in a 3-piece set. That's a 10-inch. And this is a 12-inch. Yeah, there you go. Commercial Chef, it's called. 3-piece set. Now, just looking at them, they're a little rough. I might have to do some work on them down the road, but we're going to test them out here today. That's a 12-inch. Oh, almost 12. Just about 12. On the outside it is. So yeah, we're going to get started using these, and we'll see how they perform. Right out of the box, all I did was wash them, scrub them a little bit, give them just a little light coating of oil, because they said they were seasoned. So let's give it a try. Yeah, we're going to be using these poblano peppers, mildly hot. I'm going to cut one of these up. We probably don't need all this, but we'll cut it up anyway so we can have it. You know what? We'll save that for something else. That's plenty. Put them in a bowl. Okay, next up, I guess we cut up the remainder of this onion. I could just do a couple slices, but why not just go ahead and chop this up. I don't want to cut them up too fine. I want them to kind of show, you know. Put them in a bowl. That was not even a half of an onion right there. But it was a pretty big one. As you can see, that bowl's full almost. That's it. That's all we need. Now all we got to do is start cooking. Test out our new griddle from Commercial Chef. Wonder how it's going to do. I don't know, but we're going to find out. Set your burner to medium low. Add a little oil to the pan. Might need a little more in this pan. Wow. Yeah, that sounds a little rough down there, doesn't it? Yeah, we're going to try them out though. See how it is. Okay, let's add our onions. And our slightly warm peppers. Cover them up a minute. Alright, let's give them a check. They're getting there. See if we can toast our bun. Alright, let's check our bun. Oh yeah, perfect. Put our ham in there. Guess I might use the other spatula for a little bit because it's less noisy. I gotta lower the heat just a little. Trying to get it about the size of the bun there. Now let's add our cheese. You like cheese? Yeah, me too. Alright, let's melt that. Alright, let's see how we did here. Yeah, it's definitely melting. I'm going to take our bun. I think I'm going to try to put it right over it, just like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this on. This is a large silicone handle sleeve. I wonder if it'll fit. Yeah, it fits pretty good. That gives me a better handle on there. And I won't get burned. Let's see if we can get under this. I need a bigger spatula. Oh, that's a shame. I need a bigger spatula. My one for the griddle, the old grill outside, I don't know, it kind of disappeared. You know? So, got all that good cheese. Yeah, you need a pretty good sized spatula for these if you're going to do it that way with the roll on top. But it looks good. Let me see if I can spin it around and show you. I bet you that's tasty. I bet you that's really tasty. I can taste it. Well, let's put a little salt and pepper on there. Let's load it with cheese. Load it with ham. Got onions and those slightly hot pepper. There goes a little garlic. Make sure you put a little pepper on there too. There you go. Alright. Let me see if I can show it to you. Get in close. That looks good. That bread's toasted. Now all we gotta do is fold her up and take a bite. Alright, let's fold this up. Oh yeah, that's pretty good size there. Alright, let's see if we can plate that up. Alright. There you go, folks. A beautiful ham steak sub sandwich with onions, green peppers, and cheese. Yeah, I can't wait to get into that right there. That looks good, doesn't it? Alright. Now we're going to see if this pan cleans up real easy. Yeah, I just want to see just how. That's some cheese on there and everything. So let's see if it wipes off with a paper towel and a little bit of oil. Yeah, it will wipe off. It don't look too bad really for having cheese right on there the first time out. Really not too bad. I think we need to heat this pan up pretty good with some oil on it and do it our way, the seasoning. You know, clean it real good and then season it, you know, with some fairly high heat with some high smoke point oil. That ought to do it. There you go. The commercial chef pan didn't perform too bad. You know, even though there was cheese kind of stuck on there. But yeah, I can say that they are seasoned. But I think over time, you using it, it'll only get better. But I think I might actually polish this up a little bit maybe someday. Maybe I'll show you that if I do that. So it'll be nice and smooth, like my other pan is. Sort of like my grandmom's pans. You know, they were smooth. They just made them smoother in those days, I guess. Okay, enough of the pan. Back to the ham steak sub sandwich. There you have it, guys. A ham steak sub sandwich with onions and green peppers and cheese. And that looks good. And it's on our new griddle. Yeah. The commercial chef griddle didn't do too bad. I would say they're easy to get stuff out of because of the low sides. So that's what makes it good. So let's see how this is. Yeah, I gotta check this out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's all gooey and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little bite. Here again, I wish you could taste that, because that's delicious. Them onions in there. Yep, them semi-hot peppers. That's some good stuff right there. Okay guys, man, that looks tasty, doesn't it? Yep, I'm gonna polish this off real quick again, and before I clean up the kitchen. And there you have it. Catch you later, guys. I'll see you on the next one.